What's up, everybody? You're here with the Fly Guy. Today we're going to just take a look back at one of my previous trips. I was fishing with the Big Bird Bugger. This is a kind of a spin-off of a traditional woolly bugger. I've got rubber legs in it. It's got an interesting body material, and I use dumbbell eyes on it to kind of give it a jigging action. This fly is great for bass. It would work for trout too. But I do really well with it for smallmouth. And today I'm fishing a very basic leader. It's on a floating line. The leader is about 8 feet long, and I'm using 10-pound tippet, so pretty stout. And I'm using a floating weight forward 7-weight fly line on a Eagle Claw Featherlight 5-6 weight model. I overload my fly rod because it enables me to cast well in tight situations. And the reel that I'm using is the Akuma SLV 5-6 weight model. This is a super large arbor. It's got a lot of space for backing, and I like that because it enables me to fight fish like carp, not have to worry about them spooling me. I will provide links in the description for all of these, so you can check these out. If you're interested in some nice tackle that's not going to break the bank, these would be some good choices for you. So with this presentation, I am literally casting this streamer to the opposite bank, and I'm doing two different types of retrieves. I'm doing kind of a slower jig retrieve, and then I'm also fishing this streamer really fast. Here? So I switch up between these two retrieves to give the fish two different looks at the same bait.
Beautiful fish, folks. What is this? Awesome. Check it out. The lake that runs above this stream used to be stocked with saugeye, and you don't catch them that often. But I got one today, and it's a good sized one for this stream. As you can see, the Big Bird Bugger is what did the trick. Wow, hit right in front. Whew. This is a big one, folks. This is a big smallmouth. For a creek like this, what a fish. Ah!
As you saw there, I was so frustrated. I was really upset that I lost that fish. It was a very nice smallmouth. You don't see too many creek smallmouth of that size. You have to really work hard and put in the rod hours to get smallmouth that size in a small creek. So yeah, I really would have liked to have landed that fish, but I have been thinking about that fish probably for 8 months now. I haven't forgotten it, and I hope that I can find myself in a similar position here this upcoming season, because I definitely want to get that fish. Hopefully he's grown a little bit too. Until then, it's just back to the drawing board and creating new flies and trying new techniques to make sure that I can get connected with those type of fish in the future. If you like this video, go ahead and hit thumbs up, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more fly tying and fly fishing content. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Take care, and we'll catch you next time.
That's it, folks.